Soyez le bienvenu, mabuhay po tayo dyan. And welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Cours civic questionnaire o formation civic po tayo today. Okay, because la formation civique est obligatoire. Okay? And this time, pour savoir effectuer ces démarches administratives. Okay? Know how to complete administration procedure. Okay, what is our question? Pourquoi déclarait-on un mariage de l'administration? Pourquoi déclare-t-on un mariage à l'administration? Why is a marriage declared to the administration? What do you think? A. We have four choices. Pour faire reconnaître officiellement l'union. Okay? That means to have the union officially recognized. B. Pour remplacer automatiquement un passeport. Okay? To automatically replace a passport. C. Pour éviter tout impôt. To avoid any tax. Ou D. Pour supprimer les droits des époux. To remove the rights of your husbands or your wife. Husband or wife. Okay? Des époux. Okay? So, what do you think is your answer? Why do we need to declare the marriage to the administration? Okay? Are you ready? We'll see your answer. Quelle est votre réponse, s'il vous plaît? Correction. Answer key. Réponse A. Pour faire reconnaître officiellement l'union. Pour faire reconnaître officiellement l'union. To have the union officially recognized. OK? Justification. La déclaration et l'acte de mariage permettent de donner une valeur juridique à mariage et d'organiser les droits et devoirs des époux. What does it mean? The declaration and marriage certificate give legal value to the marriage and organize the spouse's rights and duties. Okay? That's why we have a marriage certificate or marriage contract. Okay? It depends on your marriage. Okay? We have here, it depends on your marriage. A marriage for paxing, or marriage à la mairie, or marié à l'église. Okay? Okay, so religious, église or religious. Okay, so it depends. But you need to register that. Okay, à la mairie aussi. Okay, that is called marriage certificate. For those who get married here in France. Or sometimes they get married in the Philippine Embassy, but if they get married à la mairie de France, n'importe quelle mairie, vous savez, un marriage certificate. Okay? Okay, so that is a marriage certificate. Same wherever we are, we need to have a marriage certificate if you are married with someone. Okay, I hope it's clear. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir tout le monde. À demain. And please don't forget to like, subscribe at mag-comment po for more videos if you want. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir tout le monde. Ciao, ciao po.